Hey guys, I recently received a comment from Desert Rose EXO. She wanted an update on my DIY wallpaper installation. So here's the update on that. Please note I did end up taking the wallpaper down, unfortunately. This is a rental and my bathroom just does not do well with moisture. Like, the ventilation system is broken. I thank God for this apartment, but I'm just starting to hate it. We really have a big moisture problem in this bathroom, and that was just a big reason of why I took it down. That led to the wallpaper peeling off. So, I mean, it didn't come off all the way, but you know, just like the edges would start to curl over on some spots. Now that I'm sitting here talking to you guys about it, I'm thinking, like, what if I put contact paper on and then like some kind of trim to go over the edge? That should, one, clean up the edge a bit, and that should also stop the moisture from causing it to peel up. So that's a thought. Excuse me, Esther. Coverage. Make sure you get full coverage. The first 2 or 3 sections of rolling the paper down from ceiling to floor, great. You know, I got full coverage, right? And then maybe the 5th and 6th one, I could only get parts. So, you know, I would finish one roll halfway on the wall, and now I have to go and add a new thing of contact paper to finish it off. Right there is where it's hard to make it line up. You can see it is right there, especially if you're using the restroom. The line is just sitting there looking you in the face. And if you like your place to look decent, I just wouldn't recommend it. Make sure you go full coverage. Make sure you get enough to get one firm piece. Do not compromise. Don't try to cut and squeeze things. I promise you the job is going to look like you DIY'd it. Wallpaper removal. So, you know, they have all these videos out about how to remove wallpaper. The only thing I just hated so bad about it is, like, you would peel a piece and you would think you had the whole thing, and then it would kind of snap, and then you have to peel that second piece that snapped, and it would just keep snapping. So just a heads up for you guys, like, it's possible that can happen. So those are the 3 things that I dealt with while installing and removing the contact paper. So with that said, I am a virtual interior decorator. I offer affordable services including 3D designs, mood boards. I'll give you written feedback on how you can execute the plan. So if you guys are struggling to style your space at home, or you're just not sure what to do with it, I offer affordable services on Fiverr. I will have the link in the description box below. Once you follow my link, you'll be able to see some of the work that I do, and I look forward to helping you guys. Thank you for joining me in this video today. If you have any comments or questions, you know where to drop them, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace out.